Hello guys, you are watching Wise Tech Engineering YouTube channel by Mohammad Abdul Mehboob, and today I am going to explain you dimensioning problem. This is the problem. Okay, so this dimensioning is applicable to diploma, ITI and engineering students. So please watch my videos till the end, then only you will come to understand, and also practice by yourself. You will get easily the skills how to draw. So and how to start this problem and what to do, I'm going to explain you in detail. So please watch my videos till the end. And now I'm going to start my problem. Copy the given sketch to 1:1 scale and dimension adopting unidirectional system with chain dimensioning method. Okay, in this question, first what is the scale you have to see. Okay, according to scale we have to draw. This is the figure given in the question. According to scale you have to draw this figure. Okay, what is the scale? 1:1. 1:1 scale means what dimension you are getting in the question, that dimension only we have to draw. Means same dimensioning of the question we have to draw here with this scale. 1:1 scale means same. Okay, so how to draw? First measure the distance of the each line. This is of 8 centimeter. Draw 8 centimeter line here like this. Okay, then after your quarter circle is there. How much it is? One quarter circle is having 1 centimeter radius. From here I am taking 1 centimeter dot, and this is also 1 centimeter. Put a dot here. Okay, now you have to draw this semi quarter circle. So with that dot, I'm taking the distance by measuring on the divider and making a quarter circle like this. And same here also you have to do here. Okay, quarter circle I have completed. Then after this line you have to draw. This line is 5 centimeter. So draw 5 centimeter line. 5 centimeter. From here you have to start 1 2 3 4 5. Then after from here 5 centimeter. Okay, after drawing these two lines you have to draw this line. How much it is? Measure it. That is 15 mm, and this line is also 15 mm. So draw 15 mm line. 15 from here and 15 from here. Then after, how much it is? This line, that is 10 mm. This is also 10 mm. So draw 10 mm line like this, like this. Then remaining line you join this, you will get the line. And also you have to draw this axis line here and here to draw this circle. So 30 half will be 1.5. Here you will have the axis line. So draw that. And here you are having the same axis line here. After drawing the axis line, you have to draw this circle. So you have to measure the diameter of the circle, that is 1.5 centimeter, means 15 mm. So to draw the 15 mm, first you have to 15 mm circle you have to draw. To draw this 15 mm circle, you have to take the half of its 15 mm, that is 0.75 centimeter, means 7.5 mm. After measuring on the divider 7.5 mm and drawing a circle. Okay, I will dark it for you. The circle is also drawn. Now after drawing this figure according to this scale I have drawn, now you have to see the method. Which method he has given you? Chain method. So you will have different types of method also. Chain, parallel, progressive and combined. 4 types of methods are there. In this question he gave you chain dimensioning. So how to do chain dimensioning? how many vertical horizontal lines we are getting? From there we have to take this extension line like this downwards, and here also horizontal line, how many horizontal lines are going? You have to take from there like this. Chain dimensioning means on a single line you have to do the parts, means parts you will have like this. On a single line you have to do the arrow marks, you have to make the arrow marks to do the parts like this. And here also across you also have to do. Okay, after doing the chain dimensioning, you have to see the system in the question adopting unidirectional system. Unidirectional system means the dimensions you have drawn, means how much this line is. You have to number that into middle of this line. Middle means you have to write in middle of this dimensioning line. How much it is? Measure it by your minute after. It is 15. So write in middle 15. And how much is this? 30. So you have to write in middle, you have to rub and write. Here this is also 15 by measuring and put. Across in unidirectional system, important note is that in unidirectional system you have to number it as cross straight only. In unidirectional system for across you have to do the numbering straight only, dimensioning straight only. How much it is? 10 mm. So write it as 10 mm straight. And this is 40. So write it as straight. And this is 10. That is a 10 for unidirectional system across. See, in unidirectional system downwards for the vertical you have the number you have written 15, 30, 15 straight. For the across also the number should be written straight only. But in another type means aligned system you will have. In suppose if aligned system says you here same you will do the process, but for the across you write it the numbers as across only 10 mm like this, 40 and 10. But above the dimensioning line you have to number this dimensioning above this line, okay, in aligned system. And also you have to show this diameter. So how to show the diameter of this circle? So from the middle take a diagonal line like this, put an arrow mark here and here for the diagonal, and from that arrow take a upward line like this for the diameter symbol. Show the symbol, how much it is? 15. Diameter is 15. And here you will have the radius, means how much? 10 mm. So to show the radius, how to show? I am showing you. From here you have to take a line and one arrow mark and straight line like this, and one line. For the radius you have to write it as r, and it is of 10 mm. This is the complete solution of this problem. So please guys, if you like my videos, share, like and subscribe, and also practice by yourself. And please comment in my YouTube channel inbox, and please don't forget to press my bell icon to get you more videos and notifications. Thank you.